my new job today. And I'm very scared because it's a medical job in Phoenix and I have to take a terminology test right now. Like right now. But it's 7:17. My class session starts at 8. So I'm gonna study a bit. I got my Storbs. I got a cappuccino with oat milk and vanilla, sugar-free vanilla. So I'm gonna drink this, study, and not cry. Also, I didn't mention that if I don't pass, I don't get the job. So we're gonna go. Let's hope I see you at 2 p.m. instead of in half an hour. I think I passed. Also, look how sunburned I am. I did it. I got the job. It is so ungodly hot here. Oh my goodness. Started my class today. Scheduling. It took me 20 minutes to do the syllabus quizzes because there's 3 of them. Anyways, doing the introduction, and this week's gonna be really fun because I got the job, by the way. I don't think I updated you, but I got the job and I get to work the 4th of July night, which I think is gonna be the coolest thing ever because it's in the emergency room. It's gonna be awesome. I'm doing a heart dissection on Tuesday and have a brand deal that I cannot wait to share with you guys. I don't know what notes app to use for the classes, and I think that is the hardest part of starting classes is finding out where I want to take notes. That's why this video is sponsored by No, it's not.
NordVPN.
NordVPN, sponsored by NordVPN. Anyways, do I use GoodNotes or Notability? Apple, you irk me. I want Do you eat enough iron? I hope so. Good morning. Ask me what I'm doing today. I'm gonna dissect a heart. I don't know where I put my lab coat. Just kidding, I found it. Just campusing with a heart. I had to reserve this lab. There's about to be a heart, so skip to there if you don't want to see a heart. Pig heart. I don't know if you guys know this, but I'm a pre-med student, and this is anatomy and physiology too. That's why I have hearts and kidneys and fun stuff. Now you know. First cut, like superficial, then we'll do second cut. Yep. Okay. Little clam, left auricle. I'm gonna put on shorts because it's hot out. Let's go. You know, just good. Look at this skin. My skin's been like terrible recently. So I also got my wisdoms out 3 weeks ago today. I still can't eat food. I start work tomorrow. What? My shift's at 6 a.m. It's gonna be really fun to wake up for. And then I'm working 4th of July, and I start at 7 p.m. and I go until 3 a.m. It's gonna, I actually signed up for that one because I have no plans. So I was like, why not work in the ER? One of the most crazy it's nice of the year. Hi, my name's Dean Brooks. I'm an influencer. And thank you so much, thank you so much to Good Molecules for sending me this PR. I love partnering with brands, partnering with brands. And I'm really happy to be getting stuff. So yeah, let's go through all these products. lightweight daily moisturizer. And this has shea butter, avocado, hyaluronic acid to hydrate, smooth, and nourish the skin. The overnight exfoliating treatment with AHA and BHA. Discoloration correcting serum. Focusing. I don't know how this works. I don't do this often. Shake well. Niacinamide. Oh. To brighten and improve appearance of large pores. Thank you. Good night. This is a really weird video. I have a heart and skincare. My roommate just gave me these pants. So my roommate Maddie gave me these books. I feel like I just need to do this, so I'm gonna do it. And this is my bookmark. It's a key card from the Paris Hotel with Nobu on the back. First shift, let's go. First day. Oops. 4 hours done. This job is awesome. First shift complete. I brought this sandwich, but I don't want it. We did it, gamers. Now time to find my car. It's hot. It's hot. I'm home, but I think I'm getting, I don't know how I'm like, it looked like I'm sunburned. Oh, sorry, I'm like this. Get out of the shower. Oh, lab. I got like that far into it last night. Cool, I guess. Hasn't gotten anywhere fun yet. So fun? I don't know, I guess future me, is this fun? Is this book fun? Now I'm gonna do homework.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it.
Actually, no, I fell asleep, but now I'm making dinner. Nice. Good morning. Homework.
And the left anterior interventricular artery.
Good afternoon. This is the gym fit. Obviously. You didn't actually think I was gonna wear that, right? This is the first time I've worked out since like the beginning of June. It's July 4th, obviously. I'm like 20 minutes early. I don't want to go in yet, I'm scared. This is my first overnight shift. I will be here from 7 p.m. to 3 a.m.
What the Sigma?
Happy 4th. It is 12:34. I'm a little over like halfway done with my shift. Done. First night shift complete. Scary parking garage by myself. Alexa, what time is it? It's 3:33 a.m. You know, that sounds like a really, really good time to just. Good morning, it's noon. I'm tired. I'm having some coffee, and I am watching an Ava Jules YouTube video because she motivates me to vlog. Please watch my videos. Oh, also like and subscribe if you haven't already. Click that thing right there. Wait, I just remembered I'm getting dinner with my little tonight. My day is made. But I did want to go to the gym, but I also just ate.
We're gonna do at 6, which means I go to the gym at 4:30.
Then I will have enough time to get ready for dinner. I'm moving into a new apartment in a month, which is crazy because all my roommates are leaving me and I'm getting a random roommate that I'm gonna meet in 3 days, and I hope they're nice. I hope you're really nice. I can't wait to meet you. I'm scared. I'm stressing right. I am stressing right now so bad. So bad. I can't even focus. I've been trying to do work for the past 2 hours. It is 3 p.m. I'm gonna go to the gym. This might just solve all my issues. Also, shout out to you guys who've been watching my videos for this long. I know I'm super cringe and you probably make fun of me, but thanks for watching. I feel better now. Sometimes you just need a hot girl workout. Anyway, shower. I got like halfway done doing my hair until I that was such a catch. I'll fix it once I'm done with my makeup. Nope. Sorry chat, I was not feeling that. When did everybody just suddenly know how to do makeup? When did this happen and how did I miss this? She's gonna be here in 10 minutes and I don't know what I'm going to wear. Final product.
Treat me like white teeth, don't get me dirty.
Hi, welcome to Chili's. I've had 2 margaritas. Target vlog. I'm home, I'm gonna read the book. Good morning, it is Saturday, it's 1 p.m. I was up before noon, I promise. I just ordered those like silicone grippy phone connector things. It should be here on Monday, so I'll make sure to show you guys it. But it should stick to my mirror, which is awesome. Today I'm gonna, I have a lab I need to do. I need to do a blood typing lab, and I might prick myself to see my blood type because I think I'm universal donor. I think I'm O positive. But I know what that means now. D antigens. My hair has gotten so much lighter since the dye is kind of fading out and I had blonde underneath. But I kind of really like it. Anyways, let's do this. We're going to this fun little underground. Yeah, it's hot. TJ Maxx and Home Goods. This place is so, I want everything in this store. This is so unfair. Like, I need this. I need it. Look how cute this is. This would be such an upgrade from the one I have right now. I've been approved by Mother to get a new
one. With the green on the inside and white.
Ooh, I don't know. Furniture store for Danny.
So we'll look for 10 bedrooms or 10. So I'm gonna look for.
Hi. Okay, here's the haul. I got this eyelash curler because I only have one of them. And the girlies know that you can't just have one of them. Wow. Cool, now I have 2. The second is this peel off mask because I finished mine. Okay, I'm gonna do this blood lab now. I've got it all set up. It is fake blood, which is a little unfortunate because I don't think the antigens work with like human blood, so I can't test my own blood, which is a little, it's okay. 4. Okay, so we're gonna do blood first. I'm gonna take A serum. So the D serum is where you get your plus and minus from. So if it coagulates, I believe that means it is positive. Danny, go prick yourself so I can get into
I'm just watching you.
I think it's pretty cool when it coagulates, so I want to show you. I hope these clogged. No, wait. Okay, I went back and remixed the soup. That's B negative, and that is AB negative. I went back to the first one. Okay, this is A positive. Look at it, it made a clump.
All my fellas.
I just ordered Wingstop, and I'm very excited for it. I love DoorDash. I still have to go pick it up, but I'd saved like $10 picking it up, so girl math. I actually made my, no. Execure. so hungry. It smells so good. I just can't eat it yet. Bloink. They gave me plain wings. Oh my god. But it's okay because me being an intellectual, I got chicken tenders because delicious. And the container has that in it, so I'm gonna put that in there, and it's gonna be great. I'm gonna read a bit because I got pretty far last night. I'm like, oh, I'm like a little over halfway through it. I need to take a mental health break. I can't. This is gonna be my next read and my recovery book before I get into the sequel. Anyways, gamers, I'm gonna end the video here because I have work to do. I have an exam this week. But this was a week in my life. I hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe. And leave comments. I love reading comments. It makes me feel so special. So leave a comment, even if you're just like my friend. If you guys are watching. I love you guys. Subscribe.